What's up, my Portugal supporters? It's been a while. I'm sorry for being a trespasser here. Right? The reason why I'm here back in Portugal, it's because I found another Portugal artist. Right? And I'm eager and I'm excited. Right? I'm traveling way across from Jamaica to be here in Portugal tonight. So guys, please, I'm just here for the music and the entertainment. I'm here for the artists as well. To be honest, I'm a big fan of Cristiano Ronaldo. Trust me, you guys won't even understand, right? So I'm back again in his country to check out one of his fellow artists that is coming up in the game, right? So guys, I'll be reacting to someone called Nicole, and that song is called, forgive me if I'm pronouncing this name correctly because it's in Portuguese, right? It's called Esperança, right? And it's a Portugal official music video. Damn, that was lit. I want to see what's up. Peace. Thanks for having me here, guys. I appreciate your kind gesture. Peace. Junior Eurovision. Victoria Nicole. Esperança. Wow, alright. I guess she have a beautiful voice. Yeah. This is a junior Eurovision competition, so this is something that I can look forward to. So guys, I'm a Jamaican, right? And I do not understand Portuguese, right? But I'm here for the music. I'm here for how well the person's vocals can really go. I'm here for everything like that, the entertainment, right? Of how these people can literally show themselves as good display in the music. And based on what I'm hearing thus far, this is remarkable. Yes, it's been a while since I've heard a person from Portugal sing, and I'm excited. Like, she's giving me the confidence within myself to hear her more because what I'm hearing now, it's so good. It's digestible. Wow, she's so young, but yet still she's very talented. I mean, like, there are a lot of people out there who are way talented than her, but I'm loving the fact that she comes out and she displaying such a bright and wonderful talent. Wonderful voice. She have a very good vocal, right? She could become a vocalist based on her young age. She has some good display within her voice, and that is something that captivates me and her fans. Well, I'm not a fan of her music because I do like to see people singing it with such amazed voice.
Várias portas se fecharam quando tentei entrar. Quase ninguém confiava, mas cheguei a acreditar. Dizem que vidas.
Wait. That wasn't expected at all. I was expecting her to keep on a slow pace, like on a flat pace, but the bars has risen, man. The bars has risen.
Vezes não é como se quer. Eu aprendi se não foi com os outros sequer. Foi comigo mesma, com os meus sonhos e ambições. Desses sonhos já cheguei.
This is outstanding. This is way too outstanding. And this is very professional as well. Because she's keeping on the beat. She's going forward. I mean, like, this is so peaceful. But yet still, it's amazing.
Chegar aos corações, porque tudo o que é música não são só canções. A minha história que canto com muito amor. Sempre haverá muralha.
Look, I think she deserves to be a championship, right? Because of what she's displaying now. Damn, this is good. This is good.
Mas se tens esperança, as superarás. Porque afinal necessito esperança por dia mejor, una vida mejor.
This is ravishing. This is way too ravishing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, this is professionalism. This takes a lot of practice, a lot of courage, and a lot of mindset to keep so sturdy, but yet still with such beautiful display of her voice.
Por todos mis sueños, mi corazón.
Who else felt so happy while sitting, while listening to her with caution, with such bewildering meditation? Who else feel that happiness? That happiness is just rushing through like it's a shock or a volt. Trust me, high voltage.
Es mi sueño dejarse.
As a Jamaican, I approve this as one of the most beautiful music I've heard, coming from such a young female. Wow, she's a junior and she's doing music as if she's a senior. She stands out differently. She stands on top.
Queremos concretizar sonho. Temos de lutar por ele, mesmo que
I'm loving when people can literally use their voices to make people feel as if it's raining. You feel so cold, as if a droplet of water reaches you while you're hot. It is so cool to listen to her, bro. It's like a rainy weather, bro.
sejam noites sem sono. Confía en ti. Si tienes un sueño, dale tiempo y verás.
Yo, yo, no way, no freaking way. Ain't no way she have that type of singing type of vibe, bro. Ain't no way, dog.
Ya podré soñar para él.
Beautiful singer. She's a beautiful singer. Yes, we have our winner. We have our winner.
Tienes que creer, solo lucha por él.
Whoa. Wow. Remarkable. Just remarkable. This is really and truly remarkable.
Necesito esperanza.
Terrific. Just terrific. Just terrific. Look, Let's vote for her. If you guys enjoy this reaction, please leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video of her. Peace.